Welcome to Future Doctor NEET Academy. Today I am going to give 7 problems in solid state lesson. Okay. Now let us see the first question. Simple one. First one is the FCC crystal contains how many atoms in each unit cell? Very simple. Option A 6, option B 8, option C 4, option D 5. Next one. Second one. A compound is formed by cation C and anion A. The anions form hexagonal close packed lattice and cation occupies 75% of octahedral voids. The formula of the compound is dash. Option A C4A3, option B C2A3, option C C3A2, option D C3A4. Okay. Next one. Third one. A metal crystallizes with a face-centered cubic lattice. The edge of the unit cell is 408 picometer. The diameter of the metal atom is dash. Okay. Option A 288 picometer, option B 408 picometer, option C 144 picometer, option D 204 picometer. Fourth one. The ionic radii of A plus and B minus ions are 0.98 into 10 power minus 10 meter and 1.81 into 10 power minus 10 meter. The coordination number of each ion in AB is dash. Okay. Option A 8, option B 2, option C 6, option D 4. Next one. Fifth one. Structure of a mixer oxide is cubic closed packed. The cubic unit cell of mixer oxide is composed of oxide ion. 1/4 of tetrahedral voids are occupied by divalent metal A and octahedral voids are occupied by a monovalent metal B. The formula of the oxide is dash. Option A AbO2, option B A2BO2, option C A2B3O4, option D AB2O2. Next one. Sixth one. A solid compound XY has NaCl structure. If the radius of the cation is 100 picometer, the radius of the anion Y minus will be what? It's a question. Option A 275.1 picometer, option B 322.5 picometer, option C 241.5 picometer, option D 165.7 picometer. Next one. Seventh one. The appearance of color in solid alkali metal halides is generally due to dash. A. Interstitial position, B. F center, C. Schottky defect, D. Frenkel defect. Okay, so these are the 7 questions. So then the solution will be given in the next class. Okay, students, thank you.